Hello everyone. Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Meidina Ulfah, and today I want to talk about how to educate people who does not believe that COVID-19 is exist. Since the COVID-19 case caused by coronavirus was confirmed in Indonesia almost 8 months ago, many people don't believe in the existence of a deadly virus that is spreading around the world. Many people have started to distrust the existence of COVID 19, let alone the dangers. They say about the conspiracy theory that COVID was just a gear of the global elite or business competition between countries. Why would anyone believe in conspiracy theories even though it has the potential for them to ignore the COVID 19 pandemic, which has increased transmission of the virus? There are many factors. One of them is the decreasing public trust in the government to handle pandemics. And another factor is the public don't believe if they haven't seen it with their own eyes. Some people don't believe in COVID because there's no COVID cases in the place where they live or work. The COVID 19 pandemic has resulted in misinformation and conspiracy theories about the scale of the pandemic and the origin, prevention, diagnosis, and treatment of the disease. False information, including intentional disinformation, has been spread through social media, text messaging, and mass media. Some people have claimed the virus is a bioweapon accidentally or purposefully leaked from a laboratory, a population control scheme, the result of a spy operation, or the side effect of 5G upgrades to cellular networks. The World Health Organization has declared an infodemic of incorrect information about the virus, which poses risk to global health. To help freely licensing its infographic and other material to help in the work's effort to fight misinformation. The government has made efforts to provide preventive measures, such as giving education to the public, especially those who living in rural areas, about the importance of using masks, washing hands regularly, and keep physical distancing. And the government also provide aid by giving free masks and maintain the health protocol. This step, sorry, persuasive action to those who refuse to be taken to the hospital for treatment or isolation. And these steps is arguably quite good enough, even though sometimes there are still some people who are stubborn by wearing masks incorrectly or go to a crowded place. But this step is considered to gradually raise awareness to the public about the dangers of coronavirus. Unfortunately, Indonesia's response to the COVID-19 outbreak has not been successful. There were two main factors that led this to this conclusion, which is a lack of discipline in following health protocols among government officials and a failure to improve testing capacity. Despite the government continuously urging the public to wear masks, maintain physical distance, and wash hands frequently, many government organized events fail to implement such protocol. This situation set a bad example for the public, causing many to ignore health protocols. It was important for the government to deliver a consistent message to public by setting a good example. So there's no need to be afraid of COVID-19 as long as we carry out our health protocol priority activities. We will definitely avoid this deadly virus. Breaking the chain of spreading the coronavirus is not only the responsibility of the government, but the community also plays an active role. By doing this, implement, implementing the COVID-19 health protocol is to maintain a distance from other people, wash your hands using soap and running water, and use a mask. The steps of the government to enforce health protocols amid the high number of confirmed positive COVID-19 by bringing protocol violators to court must be maintained. If the enforcement of health protocol is not strictly enforced, this will not affect efforts to suppress the spread of the COVID-19 pandemic in Indonesia. Conversely, if enforcement of health protocols is carried out strictly and continuously, the city government efforts to suppress the COVID-19 pandemic can be achieved during this transition. The only goal is to increase the awareness of public discipline to really synergistically break the chain of the spread of COVID-19 with one another. We hope that with this health protocol enforcement effort, the public will be more patient in dealing with the COVID-19 pandemic by continuing to carry out the health protocol as recommended by the government. That's all for me. I hope this is help you in maintain the health protocols and in give you information about um, the importance of health protocols and how COVID-19 is spread around the world. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.